million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey, I'm back from Human Hair Drip, and y'all, I know y'all might not like human hair, because human hair, I'm gonna be honest, it traditionally isn't my thing, but this is a company that if you are one of my subscribers that are into human hair, you definitely need to go check out. Bam, Nadula Hair. They have brought me some of my most favorite human hair wigs, and that's no cap, as my students say. Definitely recommend you check them out. Y'all, I don't know what's in this little box, and I'm probably gonna butcher all the little details, but looking at the description box, not only we found the details on this wig, normally they give me a coupon code too. Okay, so in the box of goodies, they gave me some light-skinned people with wig caps, a headband. Lord, is it a headband wig? Okay, edge brush, all these little goodies. A little clip that say, "Kiss, don't kiss me though, I'll punch you." Okay, a little compact mirror. They did this last time. They included all this little free stuff. And they say you get it too, because I asked. Cute little rose gold compact. Cute. And a little makeup case that is a prism in color. Look at that. So cute. Okay, they do. Y'all, them little gifts really do add up, especially when you're spending your money. This wig is 24 inches long. It's a body wave, okay? Oh, y'all, and I think this is in a 4x4. Y'all, unless you new here, y'all know I love me a doggone 4x4 unit. I think this is what this is. Lord, let it be, okay? Because they so easy. Look at first of all, check them waves. Stiff wear, okay? But anyway, let me take this paper out. Let me calm down. I've been sipping, y'all. It's Halloween. 4x4, y'all. If you are looking for human hair quality, but you don't want to do all that extra work, get you a 4x4. Because you ain't got to glue and tack and dip and dive, okay? You get a comb into the right, comb to the left. There's that 4x4 space. You get that little strip of lace, and you get a piece of lace in the back. Okay. Yeah, y'all, this is going to be an easy one, okay? Before I cut off that lace, which that's going to be super easy, let me show you how this look up close and personal, okay, before I cut that little strip of lace off. Okay. Let's cut this lace off and play around with it, and we'll be back with our final thoughts. I'm walking that way, okay? So I just apply some heat to it, and there you are. Y'all, I cannot stress enough how much I love a 4x4. And I review a lot of them on here because I hope that some of you understand that you can get the quality, of course, of human hair with the ease of synthetic. And this body wave at this length is nothing more than a classic that I think everybody needs in their doggone arsenal, okay? And Nadula hair, I will say, has some really good quality hair. This is everything to the back, okay? And remember, I am 5'5", and this is 24 inches. So if this is too long for you, know that you can get it a shorter length, but I absolutely love this unit. Now, am I gonna keep it? No, because I got 1,000 of these like this, so it's on Poshmark. Probably sold by the time y'all are seeing it, but absolutely gorgeous. If you click that link, it'll give you a direct link to this hair. Remember, this is body wave, 150 density, 24 inches. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Definitely recommend this one. And because it's human hair, you can dye it, you can fry it, you can blow dry it. You've been so used up, wear and tear. Y'all remember that commercial? Okay, maybe not. But yes, I do recommend this one by Nadula Hair, but y'all, I'm gonna be honest. I recommend all my units by Nadula Hair. Be sure to go check them out. Use that coupon code. Like I always say, you might not even be in the wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Shirley with the good potato salad. Maybe it's your Uncle Heathrow. Okay, and you know, normally he be somewhere frying that catfish just the way you like it. Not too soft, not too hard. On that slice of bunny bread with a, you know, a bottle of Trappist hot sauce. And now he ready to live in his truth. Okay, cute. Yes, definitely send him my way, and me and Nadula Hair get him right. Y'all, this one is a definitely recommended. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon.